What I've enjoyed most about being at Notre Dame is the familyhood and all the teachers connecting with students. It's more than just students, it's like a whole family together and they really care about you.
I think the two biggest things that Notre Dame has helped me do in terms of preparing me for the next chapter of my life is time management and academics, giving me the knowledge to go achieve what I want to achieve.
I'm loving the community, it's like a second family, and I love making new friends.
What I like most about Notre Dame is the community and how I feel here when I walk in the morning. It's always a positive environment and I look forward to coming back after the weekend.
I feel that the sports program here is going to prepare me to play in college by getting me ready and allowing me to work with the team well, which will give me more opportunities to show how I can perform on the field. I would say definitely apply.
I sincerely believe that if I had not had the people in the college counseling department, I would have not been able to apply to the schools I did.